Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to review the folding electric bike, a versatile 26-inch fat tire e-bike that promises to elevate your commuting experience. We found this product online and have added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what this bike is all about. The 26-inch folding electric bike is designed for adults who need a reliable and efficient mode of transportation. With its UL 2849 certification, you can be assured that it meets rigorous safety standards, making it a trustworthy option for your daily commute. One of the standout features of this e-bike is its powerful 600W peak motor. This motor enables the bike to reach speeds of up to 32 km per hour, making it suitable for both city commuting and navigating gentle hills. Whether you're racing to work or cruising through the park, this bike provides smooth and consistent power to get you where you need to go. The bike is equipped with 26-inch fat tires that not only add to its aesthetic appeal but also enhance stability and comfort. These larger tires, combined with a front fork suspension, effectively absorb road bumps, providing a smoother ride on various terrains. This makes it ideal for both urban environments and slightly rugged paths. Another impressive feature is its strong load capacity of 120 kilograms. Built with a durable high-carbon steel frame, this bike can accommodate heavier riders or light cargo with ease. So, whether you're carrying groceries or just a backpack, you can ride confidently knowing that the bike can handle the weight. Safety is also a top priority with this folding electric bike. It comes equipped with dual disc brakes, ensuring strong stopping power in various conditions. Along with a Shimano 7-speed gear system, you have flexible riding options that allow you to tackle different inclines and speeds as needed. Now, who is this bike suitable for? Well, it's perfect for urban commuters, casual riders, or anyone looking for a fun and efficient way to get around. Its practical folding design means it can easily be stored in tight spaces, making it a great choice for apartment living or for those who need to transport it in a vehicle. In practical use, imagine hopping on this bike for your daily commute, effortlessly gliding past traffic, or taking it out on a leisurely weekend ride with friends. The folding feature also means you can take it with you on trips or store it away neatly when not in use. In summary, the folding electric